Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi Dattatreya Sutar. Today's date is 20 March 2024. Today's my topic is what is a Java development. What is a Java? Java is a multiple platform independent language. Java is a high level language. Java is developed in 1990 by son of Microsoft, and it is introduced in 1990, and it is introduced by son of Microsoft, and it is developed by 1995 by James Gosling, and Java is a multi-platform independent language, and Java is a object-oriented language. Java is a very user-friendly language. Java is a very popular language. Most of the developers prefer the Java language because Java language is a very easy syntax, very easy to understand. Multi-threading, multiple platform can Java run in multiple platform independent, so Java can run on any platform like Android, Windows, Macs, OS, etc. Java is very useful in many web applications, so all the developers are prefer the Java for a web development applications. Java is also used in gaming applications and cloud computing and artificial intelligence, big data, and internets of things also. And Java is a bridge between human and machine. So many of the peoples prefer the Java. Java is a very easy to understand because Java does not need of pointer, Java does not need of any structure, Java does not need any Java does not need any support system. So Java is run on any platform. Java is a very user friendly language. Java is a does not need a call by value. Java is need only call by value. Java does not need call by reference because Java is a platform independent, and Java is need only compiler. Java does not need compiler. In C language we need both compiler and interpreter, but Java needs only compiler. So it is a very easy. So developer prefer the language. C and Java are similar, but Java's syntax is very easy to understand, and Java does not need pointers. So it is easy to develop. So many of the developers is prefer the Java, and Java is the very fastest, secure, and multi-threading language. So Java is very popular, and most of the times Java is useful for many others applications like developing web applications and other projects for other languages like etc. And Java is developed in some common use of Java, including like gaming development, because video gaming are the most popular thing. So Java is developed very easily in video playing, and Java language is used for very easily coding everything for mobile applications, and Java is always platform independent, and Java supports the uh, other applications easily because he have a class multiple classes in one applications, one thing. So Java supports the other application because Java is run on any platform, so Java supports